Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to quickly try this one. So we're not going to model those details, but just to give you some ideas about this. So this is what it will look like. So basically it's a pattern-based family. You can change the, so for example, you can change the size of this pattern, so it will change the individual and you can adjust some of the settings such as the height and the offset of those legs. Okay, so sorry, yeah, so it's all here. So okay, so let's start. We're going to start from scratch. Okay, so new family. So for this pattern-based family, so we're going to use generic model pattern-based. So basically, let's just go back here. I'll just do a screenshot, so give you some ideas about this one. So basically, so if you can say that that's a grid. Okay, so that's a grid. So from this grid, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and we're going to use offset and then trying to find the location with these legs, and then with the offset, vertical offset, to create the height. So basically 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8, and then we'll also find these 2 points, so we have some structure in the middle, and also of course this 1, 2, 3, 4, so to create the top panel. Okay, so that's the idea. So now let's go to Revit. Okay, so this is pattern-based family template, so it will be a by default it's a rectangle, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So now place point, use draw on face, and we're going to just place onto these two. Okay, so these two reference line, and then select this. So you can see this symbol, we need to flip this, so it measure from this point. Same, this one's good, this one flip, this one's good. So now we're going to select all these 4 points. Okay, so change this one to segment length, and we're going to create a parameter. So we're going to I'll just call it offset 1. Okay, so maybe I'll call it leg offset 1 and type. Okay, and okay, so now it means if we change 1, change all, so it will control one parameter is being used to control all these 4 points. And then select these 2, create a spline through points, another one, spline through points. So because we are not going to make them visible, so we're going to tick this box to make them a reference line. Okay, and again place point, use draw on face, and place onto here, 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 and here. And once again select this one, flip this one, flip. So these 2 should be okay, and select all these 4, so we can change this one to segment length and create another one. So let's call this one leg offset 2, sorry. Same type parameters, fine. Okay, so now, hang on, maybe you can just use offset 1 because maybe we can use the same offset. Okay, so that's fine. I'm going to just delete this offset 2, and then select all these 4 points again, and sorry about that, and change this one to like offset 1. Okay, so all good. And then let me think. We have those points, and we need to have it will be overall offset, so it will be height. Okay, so I'll just use place point, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick the horizontal world plan, and place onto this point. It's a adaptive point. Okay, so again another point, set place, set. Okay, so now we have 4 points. So 1, 1, 2, 3, so 4. Okay, so press Control and select all 4 points. we can create a new parameter. So this time I'll just call it h. So there will be a height. Okay, and okay. So now go to family types. So h, let's type in a number. So maybe for example 900. So maybe I'll change this one to 300. Apply. Okay, so now you can see these 4 points are offset from these points by 900. Okay, so and then we need another 4 points for the top leg or those supporting points. So once again, point, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick. So this time you need to tab until you find these horizontal work plans and then place onto the point. So you will see this warning. Okay, so you will see this warning. One, tab, and place, and okay. Set work plan, tab, and pick and place point. Again, set work plan, tab, and place, and okay. So now select these 4 points we just placed. So they are point on point. Okay, so and then we're going to just use the height. Okay, so use the height. So now that's it. And then we will need, so if I go back here, so we will need these two. So this one. For these two, let me think how we're going to do it. For these two, maybe we will offset from the top instead of down. Okay, so let's just do this. So I'll select these 2 points, make a spline through points, and I'll just place another spline through points, and then place a point on this midpoint. So I'll choose this place draw on face. Okay, so place on this midpoint. So see this triangle. So this is the midpoint, and select these two and create spline through points. And then let me think. Okay, so we need to offset a little bit. Okay, so just place another one here, no here. So flip, select these two. So these will be the horizontal, so in the horizontal plane. Okay, so offset. So change it to segment length. What do we call this? Maybe we call it middle. Okay, so middle offset. Horizontal maybe H. And type is fine, and okay. And then we place another point, use draw on work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan, place it on here. And once again, set work plan, tab, place, and place the point. Okay, so select this point. Okay, so now you can see it's going up. That's fine. Select both and change. Oh, hang on. It's not showing. Anyway, so let's do it again. Select this one. Something's not right. Let me think. Okay, so maybe I used okay, so I think I probably draw on work plan. That's correct. Okay, anyway, so let's try again. Set work plan. So use draw on work plan, set work plan, tab, and place onto the point. So you should see this warning. And select this point. Okay, so yeah, I think that's correct. That's offset. Okay, so I just got confused. So because if you place draw on face and place onto a line, so you will see this measurement type. But if you directly use draw on work plan, place onto a point, you won't see that option. Okay, so yeah, sorry, I was confused a little bit. So let's do it again. So place another point. Okay, that's all good. Okay, select both points, but we probably want this one to be a positive number. So we can just select these two and just rotate them by 180 degrees. So those 2 points will go down with the positive offset. So now we just need to create another parameter. So let's call it mid. This time mid offset vertical. Okay, so vertical. So now we have all the points we need. So I'm going to just select these two, create a reference line. And then these lines, we don't want to see them. Okay, so we don't want to see them. So we can change them to reference line. Okay, so then we just need to connect the point. So this point, so this is a one leg. Again, this one to this one, and this one to this one, and this one to this one. Okay, and then again, so we're going to select this and this, create a spline through points, make a reference line. Yes, create another one and reference line, create another one, spline through points, reference line, create another one, and a reference line. Okay, so now we have these four, so we can create sorry about that, we can create a maybe a solid, so maybe just give it, so if we want to, you can create a parameter to control the thickness, but for this exercise I'm just going to use the just do it like this. Okay, so we still need this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now this is it. I'm going to just use model line to represent those what do we call those legs? And okay, so this is a pattern based family, and then we can just create, so let's just do a so actually I'm going to just use the same one. So I'll just do a reference line, some reference line, a rectangle, and create a form. This time I'll use where's my option? Anyway, so let's just click anywhere and delete the top surface. So this will leave us just a surface, and then divide the surface. Okay, and then so let's just load this one, family 5, load into here, select this, go to this drop down menu, and then use family 5. Okay, so it's upside down, that's fine. Let's just tick this, not sure which one, this one, yeah. Okay, so this is it, and then so we can, so this looks like they're too high, so that's fine. So edit type, instead of 900, let's just make it 500. Yeah, so it's lower. Okay, and then you can change the size of these what do we call these families. So you can go here, do it here. You can either use numbers. So for example, I want 5 times 5. Okay, or you can also use spacing. So for example, maximum and maximum. So maybe let's say the maximum size is 180 by 1200. So for example, so now so it will just use these automatically create these panels to suit the maximum spacing. And if you, of course, if you change the size of this, it will also change the number of. Oh, it looks like it's upside down again. Anyway, so we can just untick that one. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. Basically, the idea of this family, right? So you can, and you can see. Probably you want to adjust this the location of these the legs, so you can go here. So for example, leg offset, maybe I'll just type maybe 100 for example, and apply. So you will see it will change the location of these, and then you can also adjust that which one, height offset. Okay, so maybe we should rotate this a little bit so we can tell this. Okay, so go edit type, height, horizontal. So this is horizontal, this is vertical. So if I change it to 50, it will go, this should go up, right? So go up. I'll change it to 100, and then if I rotate the other way, oh, it's a little bit hard to say. Oh, here, maybe, yeah, maybe here. So yeah, and then go edit type again. So this one, so if I change to 150, so you see, yeah, so that's it. So and then what I did here is I just, so if I tab select, you can see I just create a very simple leg family. So it's an adaptive. So if I edit family, you will see this is an adaptive family. Okay, so 1 and 2. So basically what I did is, so place 1 point, 2 point. Okay, so make them adaptive, and then so to make it more clear, so you can just lift this point up. Okay, and then for there's for that so little leg there, there's a vertical element. So what I did is just place a point, use draw on world plane, set world plane, pick this horizontal world plane and place onto the point, and then we can just place we can just select that point. So drag this up a little bit, and then you can create a parameter to control this. Okay, so you can create, and then once it's done, you can connect these 2 points and make a reference line. So this is a reference line for the leg. So you can just create place some profile. So for example, I'm going to just draw some reference line, maybe a circle or any shape. Just draw on world plane, set, place the point, use draw on face first, sorry about that, and place a point, and then place a profile, use draw on world plane, set world plane, pick the horizontal world plane or this point, and then we can just create something like that, right? And to make it try to sometimes when you only use one profile and to create, so for example, create a shape like this, and sometimes when you try to adjust this one to go to a negative number, it will break this. So the best way of to avoid that issue is to create another one. Okay, so have two profiles. Okay, so this way it's better. It won't break easily. Okay, so that's that. And then next is just select the top point and then control select this one and create another. Oh, hang on, sorry, what's going on? Oh, sorry, so there are two. Hang on, there are 2 points here. Sorry, not this one. So HH, and select this one. So this one. It's a point offset from this adaptive point, and then select this one, control select this, create another spline through points, and make it reference line. So and then we can do the same thing, just create another one. So and also you can for each profile, so you can see you can add a radius. If it's a circle, you can add a radius parameter, so you can control it. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, so this is how I'll just delete this one, and I'll type WF, so you can see adaptive point 1, adaptive point 2, a point offset from the horizontal world plane, go up, and then connect this one with this one, and then this there are 2 profile, and for this one there are 2 profile as well. So and that's it. And also very important, one is always vertical, because when we load this one into the family, we want this always be vertical. Otherwise, if you do not tick that box, this will follow the orientation of these two this reference line. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, we need to load this one into this family. I'll just quickly do it. Go load into family 5, I believe, and then we can just create. So we can type SE to snap endpoint and SE to snap tab another one. So now you can see we place a leg here. So let's quickly do another one. SE this SE tab, SE this SE tab, SE here and SE tab. SE here tab and another one. SE tab, SE and SE tab, SE and SE tab. Okay, so and also I'm going to so you can see this one's not right because the offset is positive. We need to offset the other way around. So in this family, I create a parameter. So if I select this point, you will see, not this one, HH. So you can see there's a parameter offset. Okay, so for this one, we can use a negative number. So let's select 1, 2, 3, and 4, and negative 50. So it will go down here. So yeah, and also that offset will also control the height of this one. So if you want to change, you can just type in a different number. And then we also need one here. So SE. So we can create a similar CS. So let's just go component SE here and SE tab here. And for this one, so I just change this offset to 0. And because we also create a parameter for the radius of this one, so we can change this if we want to, so we can make it thicker. Okay, so and also for this one, our SA, select all, Control Shift, pick this one. Maybe I'll just make it 20. So yeah, so that's it. And then because we have all these legs, we don't need these. We don't need to see these reference model lines anymore. So I'm going to type IC and then I'm going to select all these model line and change all of them to reference line. So now type HR. So and that's it. So now let's load this one into the family 3, I believe. Yeah, overwrite, and you should see the change here. Okay, so you should, yeah. So what's going on here? Looks like we have some issue here, but okay, so what's going on? This one, it's from that. Okay, it's from that. So let's have a look again. So I'll select one, edit family, select. So it's from this one. Offset visibility. Here, because we didn't. I create a parameter to control the visibility of these. So you can see here. So the visibility parameter. So just need to select this one and uncheck this box. So now it should be all good. So load this one, override, and then we should, yeah, all gone. So and this is it. And again, and flip. Yeah. So yeah, so this is it. I think this is the idea, pattern-based family, and probably not good. Probably not good for. I mean, probably not good for a real project because it can be very, very quite messy. But you might be able to use this as a something like facade system or yeah. Anyway, so that's it. I will upload this family so you can have a play. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you next time. Thank you.